Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe at pwede na rin mag-share para malaman din sa iba nating mga coin hunter na may hilig sa mga barya. Ito yung story guys ng ating Tinwon coin ng South Korea. Year 2008. The South Korean won was initially set against the US dollar at 15 won equal 1 US dollar rate. After this currency would suffer a series of devaluation in part by Korean War. The first South Korean won was replaced by the yuan on February 15, 1953 at a rate of yuan equal to 100 won. In the last 15 years, the economy of the Republic of Korea was hit hard by two financial crises: the 1997 Asian financial crisis and the 2008 global financial. The Korean won is the national currency of South Korea since 1950. It has been administered by the nation central bank, the Bank of Korea. The tension between South Korea and the North remains high after the Korean War, exacerbated by such incidents as the assassination attempt on Park Chung-hee. The history of South Korea begins with the Japanese surrender on September 2, 1945. At the time, South Korea and North Korea were divided despite being the same people and on the same peninsula. In 1950, the Korean War broke out. The North Korea. The brief history of the South Korea in 1948 with the end of the US military government, South Korea declared its independence from Japan as the Republic of Korea in 1952. When Japan approved the independence of the Korean region under the San Francisco Peace Treaty, it became a complete independent and sovereign nation under the international law. So yan ang istorya na guys, history. Ito rin yung pictures niya guys sa ating Tinwon South Korea 2008. Issuer niya South Korea, period, republic, type, standard circulation coin. Year 2006 hanggang 2002. Ang value, 10 won, is equivalent 0.43 centavos sa ating pira dito sa Pilipinas. May currency siya na New Won 1962 ang date. Kanyang composition, copper clad, aluminum. Copper, 48% ang copper, ang kanyang aluminum, 52%. May timbang siya na 1.22 grams. Diameter, 18 mm. Thickness, 1.2 mm. Ang shape niya is round. Technique naman ay mild. Orientation, coin alignment, number, N number 1654. Reference number, KM number 103 and show number 163. So ito yung obverse niya guys. Mayroon siyang building ng pagoda. The Butap Pagoda, located in Gyeongju, one of the national treasures of the South Korea, dividing the value in the Hangul on both sides. Ang script niya is Latin. May lettering din siya na South Korean words. Translation, Tinwon. Ito rin yung reverse guys, ang value niya, numerals in the center with Bank of Korea in Hangul below and the date above. Ang script Latin din. Ang lettering 2008, 10 South Korean words. Translation Bank of Korea. At ang kanyang age is Moot. May mint siya. Korean Minting and Security Printing Corporation with Korean words. Daejeon, South Korea, 1951 ang kanyang date. So ang kanyang comments guys, the standard catalog of world coins list on aluminum bronze version of this coin dated between 2006 and 2013 as KM number 33.2E. Records from the Bank of Korea indicate that numbers such as coins exist and that all 2006 dated coins are either this type of or KM number 103 with all later issues KM number 103. So ang kanyang 2008 may 24% out of 280 million ang kanyang mintage. So may binibenta rin siya, may presyo din siya sa inimista na uncirculated na 32 pesos. So binibenta rin ito guys sa eBay. At ang kanyang price doon 16,500 pesos. Pero ang taon nun guys is 1966. So ganito din yung itsura nun guys. Ito may taon lang to na 2008. At yung nandun sa eBay ay naigrado na MA663 at dinagraduhan sa PCGS. Tin-1 din guys. Tin-1 ng Korea. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like and share at subscribe para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. God bless ating lahat.